This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an alternator on a Toyota 4Runner step by step. First, disconnect the negative battery cable and let the system discharge for a few minutes. Gather basic tools: socket set, wrenches, a pry bar, and a replacement alternator. Inspect the serpentine belt for wear and remove it from the alternator pulley. Keep fasteners organized and take photos for reference to make reassembly easier. Now loosen the belt tensioner to relieve pressure and slide the serpentine belt off the alternator pulley, keeping belt routing noted. Unplug the small electrical connector and remove the large power cable secured with a nut. Support the alternator with one hand as you remove the mounting bolts so it does not drop. Carefully extract the unit from the bracket, checking the area for debris or damaged wiring before installing the new alternator. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making practical DIY guides. Quick recommendation: I've been using the Oala water bottle while working in the garage, and it's great for staying hydrated between steps. Check the description to find the link and other deals related to tools and gear. Grab a drink, take a breather, and now let's get back to the video. Place the replacement alternator into the bracket and hand thread the mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment. Tighten bolts to the correct torque and reconnect the large power cable and small electrical connector securely. Refit the serpentine belt, making sure it follows the correct path around all pulleys and has proper tension once the tensioner is released. Reconnect the negative battery cable, start the engine, and verify charging voltage and accessory operation before finishing up.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.